This is my poker game demo reel. This is my online multiplayer game. Now I choosing two-player multiplayer game. When I click start button, I can able to join two-player game. Now you can see that this is the two players. When I click start button, it will be start the game, and when I click sort button, whatever the cards I can get, I can able to sort. And when I click on table, that is the open card. That means if you click that card, that can get in my deck. So now I press one more time sort button, that will be sorted. So which card I want to discard, I have to click on that card and I have to say discard. So if I wish to change another card, even I can switch that card and I have to say discard. If I desire to get into a deck of open cards, I can able to go, and I want to next discard the card. I can able to click and I have to say discard. So this is the way we can easily navigate or in my game. And the leftmost you can see that is this chat server. Even I can able to chat the other person whatever I want to say. So it is very friendly and very useful. If you want to communicate with the other person, I can able to communicate also. On the above, just you see that a counter is ticking. Now the opponent player, like 56, 54, 55, the counter is that within the 1 minute you have to be discard the card, otherwise you will be disqualified from the game. In this game, my mainly focus on I'm maintaining this VC++ broker. The front end is developed by ActionScript programming and for Photoshop. These images are developed in Photoshop and that has to be imported in Flash, and ActionScript as an ativex control imported into VC++, and I actually use that ativex control, and I have maintained VC++ as a broker to game and server. The server is maintained by it's designed with the Java actually, and my server is maintained by Linux. Why? Because for security purpose it has designed for security purpose the Linux server has maintained, and Java is very efficient to maintain multiple clients. So here is my main role. My main role is I have to maintain this game. I write several DLLs, registry programs, and multi-threadings, and even here my main role is, now you can see, now player is clicking here, that data has to be sent like a stream to the server, and the opponent player information also sent by the server. When the server sends a data, that has to be catched by me, through my VC++ coding. It's received by the string, and now these string values I have passed in that through the ativex control. Now flash action script take care about to display which card it has to be shown. Actually, when this game has designed in my first version, this total game has designed by GDI objects, but for maintenance issues this has to be separated by the main core engine is work by VC++ with 32 APIs and APA MFC APIs also, MFC framework. These total windows are designed by the MFC framework. When I joined this company, this is actually already implemented game, but they have several design issues, like this is not properly implemented by the multi-threading, so they couldn't get proper efficiency. So when I joined that, I'm only the person to handle this game. So I thought that moment, if I use UI threading, I can able to get very efficient manner. Why? Because in this code ativex controls are somewhere it when ativex control like now we seeing here, the ativex control take an action that time, none of the other action has to be performed that moment. So I thought using UI threading, I separated this GUI window and background operations. Why? Because if just consider a situation, in the game it performs so many operations, like just imagine now you clicking here, at the same time you want to make a chart. So that time this time it has to be act as a separate communication through server. So but if you're clicking here, you're clicking any one of the card, that means our main action has to be, our control has to be on UI only. So I decided that I need to separate from UI to background operations. So that time